The time scale that explains the age of the earth is known as the geological time scale. It covers the 4.5 billion year old time period. It's a big and a long and a deep time scale. You can't explain it in any other way, only with the deep time scale model. So that is known as the geological time scale. Here is the clock set at the Cambrian explosion time, that is 600 million years ago, 60 crore years ago. So it is 23 hours and 14 minutes. All right. So just 46 minutes before midnight, life, I say visible life, appeared on the planet Earth. That is very brief, isn't it? Very, very brief. Actually, Paleozoic era is divided into periods like Ordovician, Devonian, Mississippian, Pennsylvanian, Permian, etc. time period. A lot of species evolved. The invertebrates appeared first, and then vertebrates came afterwards. Then came fishes, and then came amphibians. Then came reptiles, etc. and etc. All these things happened in Paleozoic era. That is the old life era. I would say from 600 million all the way to 200 million. The explosion of life, I should say. So that is what happened.